Scene: a cozy, well-lit room with a comfortable sofa. Camera zooms in on a vibrant, energetic host standing in front of a backdrop with the words, "Unlock the secrets of body language." Host, with a warm smile, "Welcome back, body language lovers." If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the valuable content we have in store for you. Cut to an engaging montage showcasing snippets of couples laughing, holding hands, and sharing intimate moments, overlaid with text reading, "Unlock the secrets of body language." Host, today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of body language. But with a twist, we're exploring how to use it to attract your love interest. So grab a pen and paper, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the tools to captivate that special someone. Cut back to the host, now seated comfortably on the sofa, ready to spill the secrets. Host, picture this. You're at a party, and across the room, you spot the person of your dreams. But how do you catch their eye? It's all in the body language, my friends. Cut to a demonstration with two actors. One portraying the person of interest, and the other demonstrating subtle, inviting body language cues. Host, voiceover. Tip number 1, maintain eye contact. Locking eyes with someone not only shows confidence but also communicates interest and sincerity. But remember, it's all about balance. Too much staring can be intimidating. Cut back to the host, nodding enthusiastically. Host, and speaking of balance, let's talk about posture. Slouching sends the message that you're uninterested or lacking in confidence. So stand tall, shoulders back, and exude that magnetic energy. Cut to another demonstration, this time focusing on confident posture and open body language. Host, voiceover. Tip number 2, mirror their movements. Subconsciously mimicking someone's gestures, known as mirroring, creates a sense of rapport and connection. It's like saying, "We're on the same wavelength." Cut back to the host, a knowing grin on their face. Host, now, let's not forget about the power of touch. A gentle brush of the arm or a playful nudge can ignite sparks like you wouldn't believe. Cut to a playful interaction between two actors, showcasing subtle touches and flirtatious gestures. Host, voiceover. Tip number 3, use confident, purposeful touches to build intimacy and establish a deeper connection. Just remember to respect personal boundaries and gauge their comfort level. Cut back to the host, leaning in with excitement. Host, so there you have it, folks, the keys to unlocking the language of love through body language. Whether you're looking for a soulmate or simply wanting to spice up your interactions, mastering these subtle cues will set you on the path to romance. Camera zooms out as the host stands up, radiating confidence. Host, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering the art of communication. Until next time, keep those hearts fluttering and those sparks flying. This is Host's Name, signing off. End with a catchy outro animation and a reminder to subscribe to the channel. Tip number 2, mirror their movements. Subconsciously mimicking someone's gestures, known as mirroring, creates a sense of rapport and connection. It's like saying, "We're on the same wavelength." ChatGPT. Scene: a cozy cafe setting, with two individuals engaged in conversation, one subtly mirroring the other's movements. Host, picture this. You're sitting across from someone special, engaged in a captivating conversation. As they lean in, you find yourself leaning in too. They gesture with their hands, and almost instinctively, you do the same. What's happening here? It's the power of mirroring. Cut to a close-up of the two individuals, their body language mirroring each other's movements. Host, mirroring is one of the most potent tools in the art of attraction. By unconsciously mimicking someone's gestures, you're signaling that you're in sync with them, both mentally and emotionally. It's like saying, "We're on the same wavelength." Cut to a brief explanation with animated graphics illustrating mirroring. Host, when you mirror someone's movements, whether it's their posture, gestures, or facial expressions, you're creating a subtle bond that fosters connection and rapport. It's a non-verbal way of saying, "I understand you," without uttering a single word. Cut back to the cafe scene, where the two individuals continue their conversation, now seemingly more connected thanks to mirroring. Host. But here's the kicker: mirroring works best when it's subtle and natural. You don't want to come across as a mirror image or a mime. Instead, let it flow organically, like a dance where you're both leading and following each other's cues. Cut to the host, leaning in with a conspiratorial smile. Host. So, next time you find yourself in the company of someone special, pay attention to their body language. Are they leaning in? Are they crossing their legs? Mirror their movements, and watch as the magic unfolds. Cut to a montage of romantic encounters, with couples mirroring each other's movements and sharing intimate moments. Host. Mirroring isn't just about mimicking actions. It's about creating a connection so deep that words become secondary. So go ahead, mirror away, and let the sparks fly. End with a playful wink from the host and a reminder to subscribe to the channel for more tips on mastering the language of love.